Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we will demonstrate here on the 2016 Ford F-150, guys, but even if you have a different year with electronic parking brake, video may be helpful. The fuse box that we need to find first will be located under the hood. Once you open your hood, right behind that battery, guys, let me zoom in, right behind that battery, right here, you have your fuse box cover. What we have to do, open that fuse box cover now, open it, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one, okay? That will be the front of the truck, that's towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money, guys. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So your truck can be equipped, guys, with all kinds of fuses and relays that could be really hard to find or ridiculously overpriced, especially in small towns in the middle of nowhere. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So what do we need to find now, guys? Two fuses. If you have the electronic parking brake, ours specifically doesn't have that, but if you have it, we will explain which one it is. If you come in that row right here, on the right side in that fuse panel, that row, right under the relay, the first fuse that we're missing, it's known as fuse number 57, you have that fuse. And if you come in the middle row, the one on the very bottom right here, you will need to check that one as well. These two will be for the electronic parking brake. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.